today I am showing you a little flip through of my traveler's notebook. I used the Cocoa Daisy September kit. Excuse my voice, I'm getting over like a cold, so I'm a bit congested. Anyways, so I used the September kit with like all the moons and stuff. And because it was just perfect for our San Francisco trip. We went to San Francisco for the weekend, just like as a little birthday getaway. So we went October 6th through the 8th, so I put a little tab and stamped the dates there. And then I stamped #weekend, and then I used Cocoa Daisy Alpha stamps to put in San Francisco, and then just some stickers here. And I have a little charm on the front with a llama. My husband's been obsessed with llamas lately, so I just thought it was a cute little charm as a reminder for that. And then I did cut the traveler's notebook because I make them chunky so they would unbind anyways. And then I used the rings to hold it. So let's get into it. So at the beginning I put San Francisco vacation, and then I have the Golden Gate Bridge picture that I took, and again the dates. And just some stickers and embellishments, a nice little doily, just for some layering. And then here's a picture in front of our hotel. So then I just did some documenting on like where we stayed, how far it was from the city, things like that. And then I did some washi tape in the background, some die cuts, and then I ruffled the washi tape here just for some added texture and dimension. Put in a little pocket card, you and me, that was perfect for it. And then here I'm going to do some more journaling about our trip. I just haven't gotten to it yet, but I did some doodling around the picture here, just as a border. And then this was a Studio Calico stamp that I used. It was a coffee mug, and then I put in coffee date. We went to this cute little brunch place and had some coffee, croissants. It was delicious. And then I added the doilies from the Cocoa Daisy kit. These doilies are absolutely gorgeous. I love doilies to begin with. So I loved how they had like the galaxy and stuff. And then I had cut off like some of it, and then I just added it to here so your eyes can go back and forth. And then I did a horizontal layout. So I just have a sticker, Wanderlust. I think it's a Me and My Big Ideas sticker. And then just some washi tape for layering, and then stickers. And notice how I did the same stickers here again, so your eyes can just move across the page, follow your arrow. And this was where we went hiking in San Francisco. And then I have more of like our hiking adventure. Excuse me. And this quote I cut from a pocket card. If you never try, you will never know. It had like a squirrel on it, and I just didn't want the squirrel in here. And then this was also from one of the pocket cards, but I just wanted the owl, so I cut it out. And then there's a little arrow. Again, I ruffled the washi tape for added texture and dimension. Stamped Next Adventure on here. And then here I did like a little flip. Let me be a feather, strong with purpose, yet light at heart. One of the pocket cards. Washi taped it in for a little tip in. And then the picture, like my picture's printed out larger than I expected. I just measured wrong. But I still wanted like the scenery in it, but I didn't like it just like right there. So I cut them and then kind of jigsawed it. And I'm happy with how it came out. Here I have our hotel card, just washi taped in, and then a pocket card. So these are just really filler pages, and I loved the paper. Again, our hiking trip. So yeah, easy breezy. I climbed on this rock, and I was expecting it to be harder than it actually was. So that's why I did like easy breezy. I'm typically scared of heights, but this was actually fun. So yeah, and then pictures of our hike again. I just really love how this came out, especially with like this paper. And then here I cut down one of the A5 dashboards and taped it in, glued it in, sorry, because the owl's so cute. And then I have a picture of me and my dog. We went on top of oh my gosh, what's it called? On top of a tower. What is it called? Coit Tower. So we took Professor, my dog, and he got to see all of San Francisco with us from like the different points of view. So that was fun to see his reaction. But yeah. And then here he is again, photo worthy. And then I did my little title, look at my puppers, stamped a camera, and then I did some weaving. I've done this before in a traveler's notebook and I really loved how it came out. So I did it again, and this time I kind of had it like descend. So if you want a tutorial on paper weaving in your scrapbook or whatever, let me know in the comments and I can do a video for that. And notice how I use one of the same papers that way. Again, your eye moves back and forth. And then here I used one of the A5 dashboards. I cut down the tree. I cut like around it, just for like an added element type of thing. And then I used some die cuts. This is not from Cocoa Daisy. I forgot what collection this is from, but it's an old one that I've had for a while. And then here again, I'm going to do some more journaling about our trip. I just haven't done it. And then I love this picture, and I especially love the paper with the black and white photo. I am upset, so this ripped, so I'm going to washi tape it, or add like something. But I love how this layout came out. So I had this die cut for a while. I think it's from Project Life, if I remember correctly. It says make a wish, so then it made me think of the title, You Are My Wish Come True. You are my wish. Yeah, it's supposed to say you are my wish come true. So let's actually fix it now. Let's see. I think like a blue pen will work, and I'll just write it in. You are my wish come true. So I do wish I put like wish this way and then true that way. It would have made more sense, but it's already done and I get what it says. And then I just put a bunch of stars, and yeah. And then here, I just wanted it super simple for the photos that I took. I did like a little black and white series. So then I just collaged them here and then just added some die cuts. And then I'll probably just like write where they were and what they were. And that is it. So then this was a little ephemera piece that I got from Coit Tower. So I just added that in. It was too big, so I had to like adjust it, and it's a little baggy. So that is my traveler's notebook of our San Francisco weekend trip. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you did. Don't forget to give it a like. And until next time, bye.